Hello everyone, it's Charlotte from Thompson Leisure and today we have a very special arrival. This is the Burstner Signature SFT 7.0 and it's flagship model for low profiles in 2026. So talking through some of the key specification of this vehicle in particular, this is based on the 180 brake horsepower Fiat Ducato engine, so it is the upgraded engine. You have a fully automatic transmission and as you can see it's finished off in a beautiful ceramic grey paint. We've got our signature gloss grille up in the front and we've actually got upgraded 18-inch alloys. So making our way around the side of the vehicle, as you can see, we've got the striking black detailing along the side. You've got your LED headlights. We've got our Alco low frame chassis, so that is vital for your handling on the road. And you've also got some external storage points as well, so we'll show you those. You've got your all-season tyres at the side and you also have a lovely panoramic sky view over the driver's and passenger seat. Just beside the habitation door then, we have an external barbecue point. Your gas lockers is just beside the garage where you've got capacity for 2 big gas bottles. And then as you can see here, we've got a huge garage and you've actually got anchor points in there. You have the space to fit bikes and you've got an external shower point with access to hot and cold water. So at the back, as you can see, we have a reverse camera that's just up here. This is such a unique design as well, which is completely new to the Signature brand. Making our way around the side, we've got dual access to the garage, which is always handy, especially if you are putting bikes in and you want to put any other bits and bobs at the other side. Your toilet cassette is there, your electric hookups over at this side as well, and your Truma flue. So this does come with 2 110-watt solar panels as well as your lithium leisure battery, so you are kitted out to hit the road and go off-grid. This vehicle is designed for an effortless driving experience. So whether you're doing the tight European roads or you're driving along motorways, you'll have a seamless experience up here. So some of the features that we do have, we've got our built-in cruise control. We've got our Bluetooth functions on our steering wheel for your voice recognition, and you've got that lovely leather steering wheel to add the luxurious look. You've a fully digital cockpit up here, and then your automatic drive being a big feature. You've got your Zenec infotainment system, so your Apple CarPlay is built into that. You've got built-in sat-nav navigation, and as well as this, you've got your DAB radio and your automatic climate zone. So this is our front lounge setup. We do have 4 seat belts. There is a pretty unique feature about this vehicle that we will show you. But your travel seats are situated here. Your table is actually on rails, so as the cameraman is showing you, you can slide that backwards and forwards depending on where you want your table to go. And then of course, if you are making the full use of the lounge, you can pull the table out like this, or you can fold it in half. And then of course that gives you more walking around space. But as you can see, it is such an open plan feel, and see with the cream leather upholstery and that premium touch on the cabinetry, it is just such a nice and open area. And the panoramic sky view lets all your natural light in. So it is a lovely little area. We do have the multimedia pack with this vehicle as well. So that includes your 9-inch infotainment system at the front. And as well as that, you've got the 32-inch smart TV, which is just behind here. So if you want to move away your headrests, you can pull the TV out then. So our Burstner runs off your Truma gas and electric blown air heating system, and your water works off that as well. We've got a fully touchscreen control panel here, and we actually have Burstner Connect, it's called, so you can connect that to your smartphone and access your control panel through there. Just the usual sort of setup where you can access your battery levels, you can actually access your solar voltage as well. You can monitor your ambient lighting through here. You can do your heating through here too, and of course just your water pump. So we've got a really innovative design in the kitchen. So a couple of standout features that I'm going to show you is this is an additional worktop space that we have. You just basically move this from the sink, and then you can serve up whatever you're serving there. You've got a 2-ring gas burner. Now, I've never seen this sort of concept before, but this actually slides out and then latches on to the wall just here. And then I suppose if you're preparing your dinner, you've got an additional worktop space there. As well as this, we have a cupboard that electrically rises. It'll rise to the full height of the vehicle. It just suppose really depends what sort of things you're looking to store there. And then you've got 3 huge cupboards just down below. So this is a rear single layout, with this vehicle being a 2-berth. You have a huge bed at the back. Now it is tall people friendly as well. I think it just measures just over 2 meters in height. So if you are on the taller side, you will sleep comfortably in this bed. As well as that, a huge garage underneath, as you did see previously. And then you've also got additional cupboards all along the side there. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra cupboards, and then you've got your lovely ambient lighting as well at the back. This is our bathroom, and again, it is a really clever way to utilise the space and give you more lounge space. So what it does, it's on a barrier roller door, and this pulls across. So this will basically hide your toilet and your sink and gives you a huge space for your shower. Whenever the shower's not in use, you just slide that back over very easily like so. And then you've got your sink and your toilet there to get ready. So this is our configuration for our travel seats. So as I was saying previously, it travels 4 people. Now, how to get it like this, there's 2 levers. There's one over here, which then turns the seat to this way. And then we've got a lever that pulls the base of the back out. So you just basically pull that out. You've got 2 additional cushions. You've got an infill cushion that slides in here to partition them both. I'm not sure you're ready to hit the roof. So that was a walk through our Burstner Signature SFT 7.0. Proven to be an award-winning vehicle for this year so far, and it is up there with one of the most luxurious low-profile motorhomes for the season. Check it out on our website, and if you have any further inquiries, do give us a call, 028 9269 3999.